The stay-home superheroes. Once upon a time, there was a big, busy world. In this big, busy world, there lived a little boy called William. William loved going to school to play with his friends. He loved going to the park with his mum and going swimming with his dad. But one day, everything started to change. William heard on the news that there was a big problem. This problem was so big that it started to spread over the whole world. All the grown-ups were talking about it. All the children were talking about it. In fact, every single person in the whole world was talking about it. Everyone started to feel worried and scared about the big problem. Soon, the big problem caused some big changes. At first, Daddy stopped going to work, and Mummy stopped taking him swimming, and then he found out that school was cancelled. And day by day, this big, busy world he lived in got quieter and quieter and quieter. William was confused. He felt scared too. He had so many questions. What was going on? Would it be okay? How could they stop this big problem? He went to go and ask his mummy all of his big questions. It's okay to be scared and worried. Lots of other children feel that way. Even adults feel scared too sometimes, she told him, giving him a big hug. But all of the very best, cleverest people in the whole wide world are working hard to fix the big problem right now, she explained. This made him feel a bit better. Surely the cleverest people in the world could find a way to fix it. But it was such a big problem, and he was still scared. He had to do something. Mummy explained that there were lots and lots of special helpers working hard to save the world and stop the problem. Like superheroes, said William. Just like superheroes, said Mummy, smiling. William wanted to be a superhero too. This was his chance. Super William to the rescue! He jumped up, ready to run outside and join all the other superheroes to fight off the big problem and save the world. But his mummy stopped him and locked the door. Hey! How can I fight the big problem if I'm stuck inside? He asked. Well, we do need you to help. Everyone is going to have to help to solve this big problem, and you are going to have a very special job indeed. You are going to become a stay-home superhero. William had never heard of that kind of superhero before. His mummy told him that stay-home superheroes could help fight off the big problem by using their stay-home superpowers. But what were they? He tried so hard, but he didn't have super strength, and he didn't have super speed either. In fact, he felt exactly the same as before. The big problem can't be solved with super strength or super speed. The big problem will only stop growing if all the new superheroes use their stay-home superpower to stay at home. In fact, if all the new stay-home superheroes work together, the big problem will get smaller and smaller and smaller every single day until it goes away, Mummy explained. But staying home is a boring superpower, said William in a grump. Boring? No way! You've got the superpower to make this fun, and staying home is how you can help save the whole world. There's nothing more powerful than that. Just staying home and having fun could save the whole world? And he would be a real-life superhero? William started to feel excited. He started to feel powerful too. He couldn't wait to tell all his friends that they could turn into stay-home superheroes just like him. So William got to work quickly, using his superhero creativity to think of all the fun things he could do at home. He made a long list with his mummy and daddy. Pillow forts and cooking and games and dancing and puppet shows and singing and movies and more. Even better, William found out he could still play in the garden and go outside too, as long as he stayed away from all the other superheroes who lived in different houses. They could wave to each other and wink because they knew the special job that they were doing. William did miss playing with his friends and going swimming into the park, but then he remembered how important his new superhero job was. He was helping to save the whole world, and that made him feel so good inside. He was very proud of himself. Then he fired up his superpowers, ready to find something fun to do. William, the stay-home superhero, and all his superhero friends worked hard together to help to save the world, all without ever leaving their homes. And now you know the secret. You can be a superhero too.